Okay, so what I realized is that this is a 48-inch wide desktop. However, I just noticed something, which is basically these feet. I think I've probably installed them the other way around, which is instead of facing outward, these feet should be facing inward. And the way I was able to tell is when I see this diagram, actually, when I see it this way, they're not the feet but the support panels. I noticed that this part that protrudes out should actually protrude inward, not outward. And even in this diagram, let's see that this section is protruding inward. So I have probably installed this wrong, which is um, the screws should holes should be more on the inside, not on the outside. So I'm going to disassemble this, and same for this, done the same thing here. So I'm going to reassemble it with these screws facing this way.